Hello and welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test, brought to you by Sencommunications. I'm McKenna, and today we have a seriously cool and seriously unique video for you. We're gonna unbox and test out the Shokz OpenComm2 UC. Okay, before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on more Putting Tech to the Test. And I did say that this was unique and it is different from all of the other headsets we've tried because it does not have ear cushions. You may be wondering, so if it's a headset, how can you hear from it? It uses bone conduction technology to transport the sound that way, which is so crazy to me. It's also incredibly flexible and durable, so you don't have to worry about this breaking or anything. The mic also is flexible and durable, as you can see. I'm bending and stretching it every which way. And if you've used traditional headsets before, you know that most of them would probably snap after that. It's really simple with volume up and volume down, as well as a power button on the device itself. And then on the mic, you do have a mute button. So it's really easy to use. You don't have to learn a bunch of controls. And then also in the box, when you get it, there is a USB-C dongle, as well as instructions and a charging cord. So it's everything you need to use this headset in a convenient case, and it is kind of harder, so it can protect the headset if it's in your bag or something. This model has a ton of different uses, so I'm going to take you through my day and we're going to look at how all you can use this. Every day I either start with a commute to work or running errands, and when I'm doing both of those, I love to listen to music and podcasts. The lightweight design makes it so that I honestly forget that I'm even wearing it, and it's super easy to adjust the volume so I don't have to dig my phone out of my purse or pocket every time. So then once I finally get to work at Sencom, I mean, you've seen all of our cool tech, and of course we have a warehouse to store it in. So whenever I'm in the warehouse, safety comes first, and I always have to use a hard hat. With the OpenComm2, it's designed to perfectly sit under the hard hat. I'll insert a clip without my hair covering it so you can see exactly where it lies. But then I can hear everything around me and be super safe without having to sacrifice communication. Okay, one of the probably most obvious uses for this headset is going to be in an office setting, so you can use it in person or work from home. And the mic does have a noise cancellation feature, so that way your voice comes off clearly on calls. And since it's Bluetooth, you can get up and walk around if you like to multitask. With the dongle I showed you earlier that it comes with, it connects seamlessly to your Bluetooth. You don't even have to go into settings. Okay, last but not least, the Shokz OpenComm2 is great for getting a quick workout in. You don't have to worry about it falling off like traditional earbuds, and while you're running outside, you can still hear everything around you, so it's much safer. If you want to see the consumer grade version, leave a comment down below and we'll make sure to show you that one as well. Okay, so as you can see, this Shokz headset is truly the most versatile headset I've ever seen. It took me through my whole day, start to finish, and I'm sure there's a million other uses that I didn't even think of. So comment down below what you would use this headset for. And also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future tech videos. We'll see you next time when we put more tech to the test. Thanks for watching.